Okay, I want to show you today the find I found on Amazon for a cheap brew. Now, if you're looking to go inexpensive with brewing method and you like the pour over and you're like me, you want a full body, so you want to look at a stainless steel filter system to let the oils through and get a full body cup versus a clean cup that you get from a paper filter. You start looking for things to play with. These are my toys, and so I have many of them so I can try each one of them out and see which one I like best for what size cup of coffee I want to make. So today we are going to brew, and this is basically, it says it's a 17 ounce, but I'm going to make a 12 ounce cup of coffee with it today, which is what, 340 grams. And I've got here ground 20 grams of coffee, medium fine. I'm putting it in and I'm leveling it out. And I'm resetting my timer, and I'm tearing this out, and I'm going to do a bloom pour, and a bloom pour is just going to saturate the grounds to make sure there's no grounds left that are unmoistened. And you'll begin to notice as I do this that I'm going to wait for about 25-30 seconds as I watch this degas, and the oxygen and the chemistry of this coffee is changing, and you'll see it bubbling, and that means that's why I'm doing it. It's blooming, it's swelling, and it's bubbling. Fresh roasted coffee is going to bloom more than something that has not been roasted freshly. Now I'm going to pour slow in the middle and very slow. I'm going to circle. And I'm at 45 seconds. Staying right there. And you notice that this is filling up quite rapidly. And so you may have to stop. This kettle is fairly heavy since it's full of water, and I'll put it back on and I'll push hold so it holds the temperature, and then I'll come back and I'll pour slowly again in the middle. This is a center pour filter, which means it doesn't have holes on the bottom, so it's going to hit the bottom and come up the sides and come through the sides, even if it's the bottom sides. I'm going to pour slowly, ever so gently and slowly. I'm at 180 on the 190 now. I'm at 245. And notice that this is for smaller amounts of coffee. If you're making 1 cup for yourself, it's going to work for you. If you want to make more, it's not going to hold the grounds because the filter is smaller. Now I'm taking it back up to 200. I'm going to let that continue to drip out. I'm at 2 minutes and 50 seconds, and I'm going to let it finish dripping out. And there is my 340 grams of coffee. This is Guy from the Vecinos Coffee Guy. If you've enjoyed this and want to subscribe and see some of our other brew methods and some of our shot pulling and even some roasting in the future, come and join us and like us, and we'll be doing videos weekly.